Hello everyone, thanks for checking out my video. I have been sharing my option trades in my weekly videos for a while now. Occasionally, there are people who posted on my Moomoo post to ask how do I trade options on Moomoo and how to navigate the option chain page. Therefore, I thought I shall do a short tutorial on trading options on Moomoo mobile app. Some areas that I will cover includes how to find option chain, what are the information within the option chain, and what I usually look out for. And of course, I will cover the most important part, which is to buy and sell options using live trades as demonstration. I will then also talk about some of the cute and functional features that Moomoo has on the app. So if those that I have just mentioned interest you, do watch on to find out more. First and foremost, obviously you will have to pick a stock to trade options, right? So let's search for my favorite stock to trade options, and that is none other than Tesla. All you have to do is to click on the magnifying glass at the top right hand corner, search for the ticker symbol TSLA, and you will get the result. From here, you can also bookmark this page so that it will appear on your watch list for ease of reference and navigation in future. Alright, so now you are at the Tesla stock page, ready to trade? From here, click on the feature options at the top, which will then bring you to the option chains page. On this page, it will show the call and put options. Depending on your preference, you can display only the call options or only the put options. Personally, I prefer seeing both as I trade both put and call options. At the top, those dates are the expiration dates, which you can scroll further to the right for more dates. Just to share, though, for months like July, August and onwards, you only see one date, fret not. Moomoo will add more dates as we get closer to these dates. The dates are usually Fridays as that's when options expire. Then, the numbers that you see under the strike column are the strike prices. Beside the strike prices, those figures are the bid and ask prices to give you a sensing of how much premium you can collect or need to pay. And lastly, if you had noticed, Moomoo used a different color, aka dark blue, for strike prices that are in the money, for both call and put options. Okay, let's dive deeper into this page. So let's say you would like to trade a Tesla put option of $150 strike price with the expiration date of 26 May. All you need to do is to click on this option. It will bring you to another page. The big figure at the top shows the last transacted price. And when you scroll down, you will be able to see the transacted prices or premiums for the day. But before we scroll further down, let's go back up again. For this particular segment, I usually take a look at the days to expiry and the implied volatility, as they are quite important to me, someone who sells options. Anyway, there are also other information in this segment which may be useful for you, such as the highest and lowest transacted prices for the day, the time and intrinsic value, the different Greeks such as delta, gamma, theta, etc. It also shows the expiration date and strike price again, so that you can check if you have accidentally selected the wrong strike price or expiration date. Okay, when you scroll to the middle segment, you will see your orders, history and position if you have any. Otherwise, they will show nothing. When the market is live, the bid and ask price will keep moving as the stock moves up and down. Finally, when you scroll all the way to the bottom, there is a price calculator that you can play with, such as shifting the date and watch how the different grids change. Personally, I think this is more for slightly advanced traders who understand the true meanings of those grids and how it affects his or her trades. Again, IV is being shown here, which is one thing that I tend to look out for. Alright, once you have decided what you want to trade, all you need to do is to click on the big trade button on the bottom left, and you will be brought to the order page. On this page, it's pretty similar to how you always buy and sell stocks on Moomoo. Basically, there are various order types, which I will not elaborate too much. But for me, I usually go with limit order, where I can set my desired price to buy or sell. So let's say you are selling this put option, you would want to have more premium, right? So feel free to jack up the price, but don't go overboard because it may not be filled. As to what is reasonable, I will leave it to you as that's not the purpose of this video. But one common tip is to use the bid-ask price as a guidance or reference. For the quantity field, it's self-explanatory. Basically, you just have to input how many contracts you want to buy or sell. Just a reminder, one option contract equals to 100 shares, so please assess the risk before trading. For time in force, I usually will choose day so that it will be cancelled at the end of the day if it doesn't get filled. And when you're ready, just click on the buy or sell button and Moomoo will prompt for your password. Once your password has been entered, you have to click on the buy or sell button again. And then a warning or so-called reminder message will pop up to remind you of the risk. Please do know that what you are trading before clicking continue. Once you click continue, all you need to do is to wait for the trade to be filled. Once the trade has been filled, it will show up on your account under assets. From here, you can monitor how is your trade doing by looking at the P&L columns. On some days, it can go down by 60%, while on the other day, it can be up by 80%. And that's like 140% swing. And when you click on this little blue thingy, you will be able to see these cute images. There are two versions of it. One is in percentage, while the other shows you the money. Also, just to share with everyone, when your options are near to expiry, like around 1 week before the expiration date, Moomoo will send you emails and notifications to remind you of the expiration dates, which I think is quite useful if one is too busy with his or her schedule, or if the person has too many trades in the account. Alright, right now I will show you 2 live trades that I did. First, it is to close this Google put option by buying back the contract. So on the trade page, I indicated the quantity that I wish to buy back, which is 1. Entered my password, then I saw the big ask price was moving between 11 cents to 13 cents. I decided to go with 11 cents. Click confirm and my order was submitted. And I waited for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, the order was filled. So there you go, that's how you buy an option trade. Now moving over to how to sell an option. So I went to Google's option page, selected the date that I want, which is 26 May, scroll to my desired strike price, which is 110, click on it, click trade, then I entered the amount that I wish to sell the contract for. In this case, it was 245. Click sell, click confirm, and my order was submitted. Just to share, I later on revised the price so as to get my order filled. Lastly, Moomoo currently does not offer advanced option strategies yet, such as your spread, your condors, butterflies, poor man cover call, blah blah blah. But I think they are introduced these functions very soon, so hopefully in future I can just roll my options in one click. Alright, that's about it for the tutorial. I think most of you who watch my video should be Moomoo users already. If you are not, you can consider signing up for a Moomoo account using my referral link below. Okay, that's all for this video. Please help to hit the like and subscribe buttons if you have not. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.